Tiger musky. Okay. I don't even think it'll fit in the net. Yeah, we gotta figure out how to get it. I want to make sure it's really tired. Oh yeah, it's super strong. I don't know. Catch of my life, that's for sure. Look at that catch. I cannot believe it. I have tried so hard to catch one of these things. Finally happened. Thank you so much for supporting me in the year of 2023. It's been a wonderful 7 months since I started doing YouTube videos, and I'm really excited for the plans that I've got for next year. So I'm gonna make a quick list of my 4 favorite videos that I've made from this year, and I'll link those right after I introduce those videos. So I'll introduce them from 4 to 1 being my most favorite.
Starting with my 4th favorite video of the year, catching tarantulas. This one was a blast to make. Next, out of the critter catching series, they were all so much fun, but I went with critter catching number 6. That one was definitely a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed going down to the Mojave Desert. The tiger muskie video, I will never forget. That one was a highlight of my fishing life. So much fun. And last but definitely not least is the tournament video. This is my all-time favorite video that I've ever made, so please check it out.
So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.